Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. Recently I've been doing some videos demonstrating the new features found in On1 Photo Raw 2022. One of those new features is the ability to replace a sky in a click or two. Now if you've seen my videos demonstrating that, you'll know that I've talked about a problem that On1 Photo Raw 2022 has when you replace a sky in an image that contains a man-made structure. Buildings, or in this case, a lighthouse. It fails miserably whenever a man-made structure is in the scene. Well, recently On1 was updated, and in today's video, we're going to see if they fixed this problem. Most recently, I did a video comparing the sky replacement capabilities of Photoshop, Luminar AI, and On1 Photo Raw 2022. If you saw that video, and if you haven't, I'll have a link to it in the description below this video, you'll know that of the three, as long as there wasn't a man-made structure in the scene, On1 seemed to do the best job. Not only did it replace the sky very quickly, but if you had an image that needed a reflection, so you had like glassy water in the scene, you were able to fine-tune the reflection, meaning you could move it around, and you can't do that in Luminar AI. And at this point in its development, Photoshop doesn't do reflections at all. So On1 in that regard is better, but the problem with On1 is when you have a man-made structure such as this lighthouse, it won't put the sky in properly. And in that video, I took this exact same image and I put this sky in it, and I came up with this. Now, as I mentioned, they updated On1. So we're going to do it. We're going to take that same image again. I'm going to go over to the edit panel, and I'm going to put that same sky in it. So I'm here. I'm going to go to the sky module. It's got to create the mask, and it did. And I want to put that same sky. Now, that's an AccuDrone sky. They're a third-party company that sells skies, and I talk about them all the time. They're my favorite skies. I'll have a link to them in the description below this video. So I'm going to go to them. It happens to be their category they call cotton candy skies, and we'll go to that. And as soon as I pick that, I think it's going to put one in there, and it did. And actually, it looks like it's masking it properly. But I want to put that same sky, and I think that's Cotton Candy Sky 18, if memory serves. So we'll click on that. And it worked wonderfully. So they did fix the problem. I'm very happy to see that because, as I mentioned, with On1 Photo Raw 2022, when you're dealing with a sky reflection, you're able to move that reflection around. With Luminar AI, you cannot. And Photoshop doesn't do reflections at all. So that's nice that they kind of listen to us, because I know I reported it as a bug, and I'm sure other people have as well. And with one of their very first updates to the application, they took care of that issue. So that's good to see. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to see if they fixed that problem. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.